Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a grammar quiz designed just for ESL students, 35 fun multiple choice questions to test your grammar skills. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's jump in. 1. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't like ice cream. Tips: use doesn't with the base form of the verb. 2. Choose the right sentence. She can sing well. Tips: after can, the base form of the verb is used. 3. Select the correct question form. Where do you go? Tips: use do for forming questions in the present tense. 4. Which of the following is correct? He has finished his homework. Tips: use has for third person singular subjects in the present perfect. 5. Which sentence is grammatically correct? I saw him yesterday. Tips: use the simple past for actions completed in the past. 6. This is the book I have ever read. Most interesting. Tips: use most for the superlative form of adjectives. 7. What is the correct form of the sentence? She is studying right now. Tips: use the verb to be for the present continuous tense. 8. Select the correct sentence. I have never been to Japan. Tips: use have or has plus past participle for present perfect. 9. Which sentence is correct? She is the smartest in the class. Tips: use the before the superlative form. 10. Which is correct? I will call you when I am back. Tips: use the present simple for actions in the future after when. 11. Select the correct sentence. She can't play tennis. Tips: after can't, the base form of the verb is used. 12. What is the correct form of the sentence? I will finish it soon. Tips: use will to express future intentions or predictions. 13. Which sentence is correct? We have lunch at 12 every day. Tips: time expressions usually go after the subject and verb. 14. What is the correct form of the verb? He speaks French. Tips: regular verbs add s or es in third person singular. 15. Which of these sentences is correct? She doesn't like apples. Tips: the correct structure is doesn't plus base verb. 16. Which of these sentences uses the correct preposition? She is good at playing tennis. Tips: the preposition at is used with activities. 17. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will go to the store. Tips: the future tense uses will plus base verb. 18. Which is the correct form of the verb? I have gone to the market. Tips: use gone as the past participle of go. 19. Choose the sentence with the correct article usage. She is an honest person. Tips: honest starts with a vowel sound, so use an. 20. Which sentence is correct? I can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 21. What is the correct form of the noun? I have many children. Tips: the plural of child is children, not childs. 22. Choose the correct sentence. We have a new car. Tips: use have for plural subjects like we. 23. Which is the correct plural of child? Children. Tips: child has an irregular plural form, children. 24. What is the correct form of the verb? She is going to the store. Tips: uses with singular subjects in the present continuous. 25. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. They enjoy swimming. Tips: use enjoy with plural subjects like they. 26. What is the correct negative form? She doesn't like the movie. Tips: use doesn't for third-person singular subjects. 27. Which sentence uses the correct comparative adjective? This book is better than that one. Tips: use better for the comparative form of good. 28. What is the correct form of the question? Is he playing soccer? Tips: for questions, invert the subject and auxiliary verb. 29. Which is the correct past perfect form? I had finished my homework. Tips: the past perfect uses had plus past participle. 30. What is the correct form of the verb? She writes a letter every day. Tips: for third-person singular subjects, add s to the verb. 31. Which sentence uses a gerund? He enjoys playing soccer. Tips: a gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a noun. 32. Choose the correct sentence. They were here yesterday. Tips: use were for plural subjects in the past tense. 33. What is the correct future tense form? I will go to the store. Tips: in the future tense, use will plus base verb. 34. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like pizza. Tips: use doesn't with the third person singular subject. 35. Which sentence is in the past tense? She ate dinner. Tips: the past tense of eat is ate. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, smash the like button, and subscribe for more fun ESL quizzes. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.